Hello students, this is my 7th video of second semester for class 8 computer studies. In the last video I had taught you about chapter 4 program coding unit 3 part 2 compiling and executing programs in Java. There I had discussed with you 6 simple programs in Java, how to write them. In this video, I am going to teach you about Chapter 4 Program Coding, Unit 3, Part 3, Compiling and Executing Programs in Java. Today, I will be telling about how to compile and execute Java programs along with what is BlueJ, how to write the program, and how to start BlueJ. Okay, so what I am going to show you today is what is BlueJ, then how to start BlueJ, how to write programs in Java, how to compile and execute program in Java, and how to modify or change a program in Java. So I hope at the end of this video session you will be able to start BlueJ, write program, compile and execute program, and you will be able to modify a program in Java. So let me start with what is BlueJ. What is BlueJ? BlueJ is a free Java environment from Monash University, Australia, and it is a window-based platform for Java Development Kit (JDK). JDK 1.3 version needs to be installed before installing BlueJ, and BlueJ can be freely downloaded from the website www.bluej.org. So children, there is a difference between BlueJ and Java. Java is the name of the computer language. BlueJ is not the name of the computer language, but it is a platform on which you can work in computer language Java. You can write programs in Java in BlueJ environment. So it's a free Java environment, okay, not the computer language. Now there are certain features of BlueJ. Okay, like it is a window-based platform where users can perform the task more conveniently. The compilation as well as execution of the program is comparatively easier than JDK 1.3, and when you declare a class, it facilitates a sample program to give a brief idea of Java programming. Debugging can also be done easily as it indicates the errors at the bottom of the same window. It also supports the syntax of the program which is written on JDK 1.3 DOS based. So these are the features of BlueJ. Now, how to start BlueJ? There are certain steps, number of steps, 5 steps are there here. You can stop this video at any time and you can see those parts, like you can see all the steps here. Now I'm going to show you practically how to start BlueJ. Okay, so here you can see the icon here, BlueJ shortcut icon here. So you have to first double click this icon, the blue bird. So when you double click here, so you get a splash screen over here that is of BlueJ. So you can see here University of Kent version 3.1. Now when you get this screen, you will be getting only this icon when you start for the first time. Okay, so these are all class icons. You won't get, as I have already made so many classes, so these are there. So first of all, what you need to do, there is a project menu over here. So you have to click first project. Now what is a project here? It's a place where you keep all the Java programs or Java classes are stored in this folder. So when you click here, you're going to create a project folder. So you have to click here Then you click a new project, choose this option new project. Then you will get the name of the folder. It will ask here. So what you do, you need to type, for example, you type Dinesh. So okay, I'm typing this folder name here. Then you have to click here create. So you can see here, so when the first time when you are starting BlueJ, it will be like this only. Okay, so you have created a folder name, like here Dinesh is the project name or folder name, and here you get no classes over here. So this is how to start your BlueJ. Now then, how to write simple programs now. Okay, here also steps are there. Okay, so the steps are, first of all, what you need to do, you need to click here new class. Okay, and remember that when you create this folder, it has to be done only once. For the very first time when you are creating project or project folder, it has to be done only once and not every time. Okay, for the second time, third time and all, only you have to start BlueJ or open BlueJ, you can say, where you will be getting the name of all the icons, class icons saved here. So when you want to create a class or you want to write a program, then you need to click here new class. Okay, when you click new class here, it will show you one dialog box here, that is create new class window. So you have to give the name of the class. So for example, when you want to write a program for finding the sum of two numbers, so I'm writing here class name sum. Then you click OK. Then you are getting the class icon here, and the name is given sum here. So this is a class icon which you have just now created. Now you have to double click on this class icon, double click. Then you will get a sample program here, which is a sample program, you can see. So you need not have the sample program now. So what you need to do, you need to remove this one. You have to drag, select and drag, and you can click here cut, or you can delete, or you can use backspace to delete this thing, and then you need to write the program now in the editor screen. This is called the editor screen, where you can write your program and modify. So I'm writing a program. In the previous video I have told you how to write a program. Like first you write here public class sum, then you type here and you open the bracket for the body of the main function. Now you need to write public static void main string args large bracket and close bracket, small bracket here. Then you need to give another curly bracket to open the body of the main method or main function. So you need to declare here the variables, like you let a is equal to 45, b is equal to 30, and c is equal to 0, and ending with a semicolon. Then we need to write c is equal to a plus b. Okay, a plus b. So you have to be careful about the cases of the letter, because Java is a case sensitive language. Next statement is system dot out dot println. Then in the bracket you need to write now the message what you want to display on the screen. Sum of the two numbers is equal to. Okay, so then you have to close the bracket, sorry, close the inverted comma, then plus c, then close the curly bracket, small bracket, then semicolon. Then you have to write here close the bracket, and then one more bracket to close the body of the class. So this is how to write the program. Okay, now after this, how to execute, how to compile and execute the program. So you need to click here compile. Okay, compile button, you have to press here compile. Then if the program is error free, then you will get a message over here, uh, class compile, no syntax error. But if there is an error, you will be getting a message over here like there is an error, so that line is being highlighted that there is something wrong you have typed. So you can see here print line, there is a spelling mistake, so print T is missing, so you have to go back and correct the program if there is any error or mistake. Okay, and then you have to recompile it. Okay, so again I am compiling, so you get a message here now, class compile, no syntax error. That means your program is error free, so it is now compiled. Okay, now we can execute the program. Now how to execute this program is to get the output or get the result. So to get the result of this, first you have to close this editor screen. So then you come back to this class icon. Now here you have to right click over the class icon, right click. As you right click, you get number of options here, so you have to click here void main string args. Okay, not on this new sum, you will be clicking only this one, void main string args. So once you click that, you get a method call window over here. Here you have not to do anything, only you have to click here OK, and once you click OK, you get the result or the output of the program. Sum of the two numbers is equal to 75. So this is how you execute the program. Okay, then you have to close, and now the last thing, how to modify the program. Okay, so you have to double click over here, then you get the class over here or the program. Suppose you want to change or modify something. Suppose I want to change the value and make it 60. So after that, when you make the changes or modify the program, again you have to recompile it. Okay, so that the changes are incorporated or accepted by the Java compiler. So again compile. So when you get the message class compile, no syntax error, means your program is error free, and then you can execute the program to get the result. So how to execute? You have to close this one, then you have to right click over this class icon, choose the option void main string args, then you get a method call window. You have to click only OK, you have not to type anything here. When you click OK, then you get the result in the terminal window. This is called terminal window, where you get the output of your program. So this is what we have seen today. So what I am going to show here once again, like, so these are the steps how to start BlueJ. Again, just a revision. Double click the BlueJ icon available on the desktop. The opening screen will show project as the first menu. Project is the creation of folder that contains number of classes of program. Click project and click select new project to create a project folder. Okay, remember you have to do it only once for the very first time only, not every time you open BlueJ. Enter the file name, like I entered the Dinesh, and finally click on create button. Now you are ready to create a class or to write a Java program. So this I have shown. Then how to write a program after that. So the steps are given here. There are 8 steps here, so you can read that and you can understand. I have shown you practically. Then how to compile and execute the Java program. Here also there are 10 steps over here. This I have already explained to you. So these steps you can learn. After that, then how to modify a Java program. So steps to how to modify the Java program, like double click the class icon, make changes and recompile your program. Okay, so this is how to do that. So once again let me show you. This is the BlueJ icon. So when you double click here, you will be getting your project name. Okay, this is not your project name which you have created. For example, today I have created this one. So open project Dinesh. Okay, So every time when you open for the second time and third time and onwards, you don't have to create project folder every time, only for the first time. Then see, one class I have created, so this has come here, and every day when you open you will be getting the name of the project folder here. And then you, whenever you create a class or write a program, all those classes or icons will be shown here. So this is the project folder where you save all the programs or classes in Java. Okay, so I hope you have understood. And so what we have seen today, that what is BlueJ, how to start BlueJ, how to write program in Java, how to compile and execute program in Java, and how to modify or change a program in Java. So with this we come to the end of this unit 3 part 3. In the next video we will learn how to write programs using assignment statement in Java. So I hope this video will definitely help and guide you to start BlueJ, write simple programs in Java, and compile them and execute them. So practice writing some more programs on your systems and enjoy making programs or writing programs in Java. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.